Hey guys, what's going on? My name's George and welcome back to the Floor It YouTube channel. Now you join me again in the garage because it's dark and again I have miscalculated how long it takes me to record videos. But nonetheless, I hope you enjoyed the last video we put out. So in today's video, we're going to be doing a simple and quick install, which is going to be adding floating center caps to the M3. Now floating center caps is essentially a BMW logo that goes in the center of your wheel that as you drive around will automatically right itself based upon the direction of the wheel, I guess. Now I thought that was pretty cool, right? So I thought I really want to have these on the M3. Now I've seen a couple of people on Instagram as well who have these and they look pretty cool, so I decided to get myself a pair. I think from retail they cost about £70, £79 or something, and I think they're universal across all BMWs as well. But I bought these from Ben Rain, who's also a E92 M3 YouTuber. Go and check him out if you haven't, some awesome videos from him. And yeah, he sorted me out a little bit cheaper as well, which is pretty good, through the Facebook page. So yeah, let's go ahead and get these off. So I'm going to run a time lapse now. Essentially what you need to do, the install of this is actually really simple, and the trickiest bit is just getting the original center cap off. My ones are a little bit stiff because they've been, I imagine they've been on the car since it was brand new in December of 07. So basically all you need are a couple of plastic trim removers, and the reason I say this is because plastic is better than metal because you don't really want to damage your alloy. So here is the original kind of center cap then, and these are held in by a series of clips, and these clips kind of go all around the inside of the wheel. So what I recommend doing is taking your kind of plastic trim remover here and working yourself all the way around the outside and kind of bringing the whole center cap with you on the way out, as opposed to kind of just jamming it in and trying to pry it out, because sometimes, well, I say sometimes, speaking from experience, I tried to do that on the back end of my plastic trim remover and snapped it clean off. So yeah, definitely try and do it a bit more smooth, a bit more subtly, but here's a time lapse of me getting one of them off. Okay, so as you can see, I've removed the center cap now. That was a little bit of an effort. I've done it on the front two tires, but it wasn't too hard. You just need to be persistent with it. So let's go ahead and get the floating center cap and install them. Right, so here we have all the center caps then. As you can see, they all move like this. I think that's pretty cool. So here's the difference then. You can see old one on the left, new one on the right. This one obviously then turns itself as well, which I think is pretty cool. So the blue is slightly different. So the blue is a lot darker on this one than it is on the originals, and this is because obviously these are about 13, 14 years old. So let's go ahead and take these out of the box. Okay then, so here is the floating center cap. Now, I think this is pretty cool. You can see that it spins, which is awesome. But on the back, I want to show you how it actually works so you can kind of understand what is going on behind it. So this big black weight essentially is the back of the BMW logo. And this obviously works off of gravity. So as you're going down the road, this will be the thing that's keeping straight. And if it does spin, it's how it rights itself as well. So I'll do it a bit closer. And then you can see from the other side the BMW is a bit that's moving. So these have the same OEM clips as the original ones, so it should just be a straight kind of plug and play. So let's go and clean out the inside of the hole where the old one was, get all that dirt and grime out. So it should be pretty simple. So let's have a go then. Alright, that was really easy. The hardest bit is getting them out. So just what I would say is just don't be afraid. Like, it may feel like you're breaking it, but you're not. Ultimately, even if you do break the clips, right, you're removing it anyway and you're putting a new piece on. So let's go and do the other side. Then I need to move the car because stupid wall's in the way. And then we'll do the rear wheels as well. So yes, crack on. Right guys, so that is the end of today's video. All four wheels have now been done, and what do I reckon? Well, to be honest, I think they look pretty damn cool. I mean, I don't think that it's going to get boring for me for quite a while. I can't wait to see some photos of it rolling as well. I mean, I think that from an install perspective, if I'm being honest, the first wheel was slightly daunting to do, and that's because I hadn't done anything like this before. And again, it just felt like I was breaking it. It felt like it wasn't meant to come off, but they very much are. It's just held in by some clips. Just be persistent, make sure you got the right tools, and you should be fine. Get yourself a set of plastic trim remover pieces. Lots of my videos have included me saying this, and they are a really, really useful piece just to have in the garage in case you ever need them. These parts are about £70 from BMW, brand new. I got them cheaper than that off of the Facebook page, Facebook Marketplace, as well as eBay also have some. So yeah, the car's clean. We have new center caps. Life's good, essentially. So we've got some pretty big videos coming this week. I'm pretty sure this video is going to come before the big video, which I'm doing with Modstock to get the primary decat and the stage 2 remap on this car. But yeah, things are going to be very, very exciting on the channel very soon. So if you're new here, hit that subscriber button. That would really mean a lot to me. And also hit that like button if you can, as it helps my videos reach new people on YouTube, kind of helps the algorithm. But yeah, any comments, drop down below. Drop me a DM on Instagram at M3Floor. Happy to answer any questions. And yeah, that's it. Have a great week. Hope you enjoyed the video and stay safe. Peace.
We'll be right back.